Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer, presenting you monthly horoscope for 2020. This particular monthly forecast has no relevance with Western astrology or sun prediction because my whole predictions are based on your moon sign. My whole predictions are based on Vedic Indian astrology. On today's video, here are the reminder of what I'll be discussing on your monthly horoscope, the monthly forecast. I'll be talking about your health. I'll be talking about your education. I'll be discussing about your romantic life, your relationship life. I'll be informing you regarding your career, job or profession, as well as your monthly conclusion. To skip to a particular part of this video, I have placed timestamps for each of these subjects in this video description below. So here are the monthly forecast for all of you, and please don't forget afterward to like this video, subscribe and click that bell to get the notification of your latest weekly, monthly, yearly horoscope plus your major 4 transit planetary horoscopes. Here are my channels. To have the full version of this video, which include the transit, all the transits, your tasks, your precautions, the chanting for this month, please do visit our website prakashastrologer.com. Considered monthly conclusion for July 2020. In this month of July 2020, your enemies may be rising and you may going through a lot of arguments, conflicts, and this month of July you may suffer from a lot of anguish, eye infection, abdominal discomforts, and may I say that there might be a change of residence or journey. Money can be lost if you're not very careful through fine, penalty or punishment. Money can be lost in business. People can dump your money, and beware of false allegation. You may be tempted to associate with others. Abdominal pain may be source of suffering. Opponent can be rising. Expenditure will be excessive. Physically you may fall. Your eyes may create a lot of trouble for you. Your desires are fulfilled. And may I say that if you have any enemies, then you will be able to overcome, but with the full strategy. Professional elevation is possible. There may be earning from business or gains. The gains may be possible from handicraft. If your business involve clothing, dress wear, party wear, or if you're an artist, if you are performing artist, again the business can be very good. Your status and your dignity will be enhanced. You'll enjoy associating with your friends. But beware of eye infection, headaches, or abdominal issues. There would be some sort of a bitterness in the relationship due to lack of understanding or third party interference in the relationship. Beware of loss of earning. So look after each other, especially in the matrimonial relationship. Sometimes you got to spend money. Beware of fine, penalty and punishment. And this particular month, you have to be extra careful regarding decision choices you're going to make. But with the help of task, precaution, chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your Sun, Mercury, Rahu. These 3 planets are very negative, extremely negative. And Jupiter and Ketu. Sun, Mercury, Rahu is extremely negative. Jupiter, Ketu is negative. Sun, Mercury, Rahu is very negative for the financial reasons, for the matrimonial marriage relationship, for your business, profession, career, for your, if you have a legal disputes, you got to sort out Sun, Mercury, Rahu. And Jupiter, Ketu again very negative regarding your health and well-being. But these 5 planets you have to sort it out for prevention of any kind of professional losses or fine penalty punishments or health issue or matrimonial issues. With the help of task precaution chanting, which you can have access full monthly report from the website prakashastrologer.com, get the full monthly horoscope report, and you can sort out your planets with the help of task precaution chantings. Cancerian task of the month. Do donate whole wheat atta, whole moong dal in the langar, in the temple. Flow haldi powder in the fast flowing river. Quantity whatever you can afford. Throw 12 dry coconuts in the deepest lake on Wednesday to perform this 4 Wednesday. Do wear Buddha Aditya Yantar in a silver chain around your neck. Cancerian precaution of the month. Refrain from risky investment, gambling, buying any electrical goods. Don't buy any electronic goods or steel appliances. Or refrain from consuming any form of intoxication, smoking, confusion. Cancerian chanting of the month. Aum Ang Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Namah. Aum Ang Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Namah. Aum Ang Harim Sharim Kalim Hasso Jagat Prasutaya Namah. More you do it, more you achieve success, prosperity, rising. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for? Please get your very thorough moon sign monthly horoscope report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.